Ronoff, testing for first degree black belt. Testing for a decided first degree black belt, Mr. Aria. Also testing for a decided first degree black belt, it's Miss Olar.
Yes, sir.
That's everybody. Did everybody who was hoping to test today get up and do something? Excellent. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Jumbi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know what? We're going to have to give like a negative point for not answering. Negative 1 point. You need 15 to pass. I'll give you 5 reasons to answer before we're done. So, let's go ahead and remix everybody here. Of course, we'll do the same thing. And you get 2. You get Miss Olar, Mr. Arlington. You get Ronoff and Mr. Arlington. And then we'll make it everybody's covered. Ready? And your form, no count. Begin. Ready and bro.
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Aria, back up.
Yes, sir.
More, all the way back there. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Miss Olar and Ronoff. You can see you do your form again.
Sir.